Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use Irusu Cinema Player Pro app. Select your preferred option. Select your screen mode. Select any of the seats. You can now select the video to play. Click here to enable subtitles. Click here to turn the lights on or off. You can switch to any seat at any time. Click here to freeze the screen at your preferred point. Shake the device to unlock the screen. Click here to adjust the brightness. Click here to change the screen mode. Click here to change the video from your files. Click here to open the browser. Please follow the tutorial as guided in the video. You can choose your preferred video to watch. Click here to access the keyboard. Similarly, you can choose 3D SBS with similar options. Similarly, you can choose 360-degree video with similar options. Thank you for watching.